Well, that is a pretty big, pretty nice dog kennel. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this metal dog kennel. No, the bed is not included. We just wanted to see if it would fit in there. I'll take it out in a minute so I can show you guys a little bit more about this. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Eleanor, let's demonstrate. Come here. Get in there. Good girl. She's like, look, guys, it's huge. I can get in and out of it. Let me take the bed out so I can show it to you guys. Well, there you go. So for reference, Miss Eleanor here is about 48 pounds. She can stand up. She can turn around. She's like, what'd you put me in here for, Mom? To demonstrate the kennel, silly. So this is going to be pretty good for pretty large dogs. I do like that the locks on here have like a little spring in them. So see how when I pull it down, it springs back open. Same thing with the bottom. So you spring them open, which is really nice. Also, the top of this can actually flip open or be bolted shut. So it has an easy release top. If you don't put these bolts in, you can pick this whole top up. So if you were using this for like puppies that can't necessarily jump out, that would be really nice. We bolted them in just, because. That's also what these pins are for. So if you don't put these bolts in, these pins will keep this top secured, and you just pull them and then you can open the top up. But like I said, we bolted it all together just to show you guys. You want me to let you out? Okay, hold on. Come on out, sweetheart, so I can show them the rest of it. So this is also really cool. This is the bottom part of the kennel, which does lift up for easy cleaning, which is nice. You'll notice it does have the little holes in it. So if your dog does have an accident, especially if you're training puppies, it goes down into this tray. And the tray underneath there slides in and out, making it easy for cleaning. So like I said, on top of the fact that the tray slides in and out, this also picks up and can come out so you can clean this, which makes it really, really nice. It does have little caster wheels on it, which do have locks. So you can have it locked so your dog can't just, roller it all around your house. What do you think, Ms. Ma'am? What do you think? This thing is sturdy. This is a very, very sturdy kennel. Like, these are nice and thick. This is nice and thick. It's really, really sturdy. Honestly, if you're looking for a nice kennel, easy to move around, easy to clean, really nice size. I love that if your dogs do have an accident, it's going to go down through to the bottom and they're not like stuck laying in it until you get home. That's kind of a nice benefit. Hopefully they don't have accidents, but we all know that happens. This is really nice. And I know there are some people that are going to tell you that crates are cruel. You will never know when you're going to need to use those. When Memphis had her knee surgery, she had to be immobile for like 6 weeks. Now, granted, we did bedroom, but for some people that go to work during the day, we work from home, this would be a great way to keep your dog contained. So you should always crate train your dogs because you never know when they might need one, right? Right? So if you are looking for a really, really nice kennel for either crate training or for any other purposes with your dogs, this one's really nice. We approve.